Watch as these skilled bricklayers demonstrate a mesmerizing paver trick. They carefully stack the pavers along a brick wall, setting up a stunning domino effect. As they release the first paver, the entire row begins to cascade down in perfect sequence. But here's the real magic. At the end of the fall, the pavers effortlessly fall back into place, creating a flawless, neat finish. It's a brilliant display of precision and craftsmanship, proof that even in construction, artistry and skill go hand in hand.